my cousins. He rangi tino ātāhua ne. I'm on an exciting mission today to go and catch some tuna. Whee! Let's go! I'm so excited to catch some tuna. I'm gonna smoke them up and toa ki te whānau. I love to share. I have my maunu, my bait, my hinaki, and my mana. Hee-hee! Oh, I can see John Boy. John Boy!
Oh, hey, cuzzies. What are yous up to?
Oh, me and the cousins are going to catch some tuna for the whānau. Do you want to come?
Well, someone better come and make sure you're doing the right thing.
Right thing? I am the right thing. Tātua, seatbelt.
Check.
Hey, did you know that tuna travels 6,000 kilometres from Aotearoa to Tonga just to spawn, John Boy? That's ages away. Imagine having to swim that far. I'd have to change my name to Buzzy Tuna. All right, my cousins, we're almost at our spot. Mauri ora! This is the whenua of our whanaunga. Our relatives have a special spot here where they have the biggest tuna I've ever seen. Ho ake tātou. Good time, mai. Hey, this is the perfect spot to set our hinaki, John Boy. Let's do it. Okay, my cousins, let's set up our hinaki. There it is. Now all we do is grab our bait. We'll put that inside our hinaki there. That's what's going to attract our tuna. Just like that. And now all we do is tie it off. All right, John Boy, tie that off. Wait a second. We need to do karakia. Mitsi runga, mitsi raro, mitsi ha-ha. Tohia te wai, ko te wai nā wai, e ke panuku, e ke tangaroa, haumi e, hui e, tai ki e, mauri ora. All right, time for me to cast our hinaki. Cast. Woo! Did you see that cast, John Boy? I've almost got as big arms in you.
What, these arms?
Ooh. Oh, you wait, John Boy. I'm going to have massive tuna arms like you one day. And then that's me. I'm off to live in the awa. Hey, cousins, did you know that hinaki are traditional Māori eeling pots? They were made from heaps of different types of material, like mange, kie, and akatororaro. Oh, this is amazing. Now all we have to do is wait.
Buzz, you know we have to wait overnight, eh?
Overnight? That's ages. Oh, well, if you say so, John Boy.
Hey, should we set my magical tuna hook just in case the hinaki doesn't catch anything, eh?
Magical tuna hook. Okay. Lethal. Whee! Hey, pōpō tuna ma. My cousins, it's time to check our hinaki. Let's do it.
promising. Keep going, Buzz. You'll get it.
Oh, I think I can see some. There's a lot of them. Whee! What do you reckon, John boy?
Oh, good work. There's some good ones in there.
Whoa, he tino pā remo remo ngā tuna. They are really slippery. All right, let's put it into our bucket.
Oh, there's one. Just keep going.
Tuna. Oh, there we go. Whee! Check it out, my cousins. We caught heaps of tuna.
Should we pull out the 2 we're going to keep and then we'll throw the rest back, eh?
Okay, cool.
All right, we better go and check my tunnel line, eh? And see what we got on there.
Let's do it.
Oh, there's something on there.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, it's massive.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! That's the biggest tuna I've ever seen. I reckon he's too big.
Yeah, definitely too big. We'll let him go, eh?
Woo! Maruehi ana. We have 2 tuna. That's enough for us, eh, John boy?
That'll do for today. Tēnā koe te ao.
Hui! Ka kite anō. Let's head back to the kāinga to cook up our tuna. Hoa ke tātou. What an amazing day we're having today, my cousins. We've caught a kai for the whānau, and now we get to cook it up for them all. All we need now is a few things to prepare our tuna with. We have some waiwera, some hot water, we have paper towels, we have some brown hookah, brown sugar, we have some tote, salt, and we have some sharp naihi. Whee! I will now hand you over to Tuna Arms John Boy so he can show us how to prepare a tuna safely.
Now what you want to do is pour the hot water on there, over the eel. Make sure you cover it all real good. Now what you want to do is grab some paper towels, and we want to pull it out and you use the paper towels to wipe the slime off.
It's really slimy.
So now we remove the head.
Ka rawe! We've gutted them, we've cut them into portions, and now it's time to rub them down with some brown hookah and some tote. Hee-hee! Let's do it. Whee! Ka rawe! These tuna are gonna be reka rawa. Now all we have to do is put them into the smoker. Hoa ke tātou. Fire's burning. Ka pai. Now all we have to do is shut the kuaha and wait for them to cook. Are they ready yet?
Call.
What about now?
Call.
But I get the guy can.
Yeah, be patient. They'll be ready soon.
Hey, want to see something cool?
Go on then.
I just do what I do. You see me? I just do what I do. I just do what I do. I don't know about you. I just do what I do.
Oh, I was right. They are ready. Oh, te reka hoki o te kakara tuna. They smell really sweet. Okay, it's time to take them out. We just need to be careful, my cousins, because the smoker is really hot. Let's do it. All right, we're all ready for a John Boy. All we need now is... Dad! Check it out! Ka kite anō, my cuzzies!